Today we're tackling some of the biggest myths about masturbation and fitness. Let's separate fact from fiction with science. You've probably heard some wild claims. Time to get the real answers. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Masturbation causes hair loss and baldness. Here's the truth. Hair loss is primarily caused by genetics and hormones like DHT. Masturbation has zero impact on your hair follicles. Your genes determine your hairline, not your habits. Multiple studies confirm no connection between masturbation and hair loss. Myth officially busted. Your hair is safe. But what about physical weakness? Myth number 2. Masturbation makes you physically weak and ruins your workouts. The reality is different. Masturbation doesn't affect your physical strength or endurance. Your muscles work exactly the same way. Athletes perform at peak levels regardless of their personal habits. Your body's energy systems aren't impacted by masturbation. Strength comes from training, nutrition, and recovery, not from avoiding natural behaviors. Another myth destroyed. Now let's talk about skin health. This one's interesting. Myth number 3. Masturbation causes acne and skin problems. Science says otherwise. Acne is caused by hormones, genetics, and skincare habits. Your skin health depends on hygiene and hormonal balance. Good skincare practices are what matter most. Masturbation has no direct impact on your complexion. Your skin reflects your overall health habits. Myth number 3. Busted. Let's wrap this up. Here's what the science actually shows. Masturbation is a normal, healthy behavior with no negative physical effects. Your health depends on diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Don't let myths create unnecessary worry or shame. Focus on proven health practices and ignore the myths. Your body is normal, and so are you. If this helped clear things up, smash that like button. Subscribe to Ask FitTech for more myth-busting content. Hit the ring button to get notified when I drop new videos. More health myths coming soon. Thanks for watching. Stay informed.